To verify the laws of reflection, we need a paper, pencil, mirror, ruler, protractor and pins. Begin by drawing a straight line MM1 on the paper. This will serve as the baseline for our setup. Next, draw a line ON perpendicular to MM1. Let's draw a line OA at 45 degrees to normal ON. This line represents the incident ray. Place a mirror along the line MM1. This will reflect the incident ray. Fix 2 pins at some distance on that line. Observe the reflected line and place 2 more pins so that they appear to coincide with the reflected line in the mirror. You can remove the pins and draw a circle over the points if you wish. Draw a line OB passing through points R and S. This line represents the reflected ray. The first law of reflection states that the angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Here, angle AON, the angle of incidence, is equal to angle BON, the angle of reflection. The first law is verified. The lower tips of all 4 pins lie on the same plane, confirming that the incident ray, reflected ray and the normal are in the same plane. The second law is verified.